Kapag 4:30 na, happy na! Let's give everybody a big round of applause!
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines, the mental assassin, Justin Piñon!
The power is in your hands. I can still remember the first time I heard that. Pauwi ako sa bahay, pagpasok ko sa doorway namin, I saw the TV. I was like grade 4 during that time, grade 4 ako. And naalala ko pa yung palabas sa TV. Naalala niyo yung ANT-TV? Naalala niyo? Yeah. 4:30! Kapag 4:30 na, happy na! Yun yung palabas ng time na yun. Sobrang, I can still remember it like it was just yesterday. Tapos, pagtingin ko sa kabila, sa table namin, nakita ko yung daddy ko. He was writing something down. He told me, Justin, the power is in your hands. After hearing that, parang na-inspire ako. I realized that, yeah, the power is in my hands. So, to demonstrate something to you about the power of your hands, in a good way, okay? I need three pairs of hands. Okay? Maybe some unfamiliar faces kayong dalawa. Yan. Come up here with me. Palapakan natin sila. One more. Yan. Inside glasses. Okay. Dito kayo sa tabi ko. Let's give them a big round of applause. What is your name, sir? Kim? Nice to meet you, Kim. I'm Justin. You are? Maui. Nice to meet you, Maui. I'm Justin and? Echo. Echo dito pa sa kabilang side. Echo, since ikaw yung last natin. Your job is, kung ano yung mangyayari ngayon, isusulat mo lang siya. You're the first pair of hand. The power is in your hand. And the two of you, I'm going to ask you to think of a couple of random things. Let's start with you. Nung second time ko nanginig yung the power is in your hand, from my dad, sige, you can sit down. From my dad as well, sabi niya, I saw him, he was reading a book. Sabi niya, Justin, the power is in your hand, read a book. Do you have a book with you? You actually have a book. I'm going to ask you to think of a random word. The next time I heard my dad told me, power is in your hand, he was looking at the time. Sabi niya, Justin, the power is in your hand. Time is important. Doon ko na-realize na, ba't parang yung first sentences ng daddy ko parati, power is in your hand. Weird, no? So, we're gonna choose a time. Okay, a random time. Okay. Now, habang iniikot mo yan, ikot-ikot mo lang, and say yes pag tapos na mamaya titignan yung time. Randomly, what is the word? Doorway. Now, you chose a random time. Okay? What is the time? 4:30. Your word is doorway. Your time is 4:30. Interesting. I have a prediction here. The power is in our hands. Ano ka dito? Ano nakasulat? Prediction is... Pen? 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 Tama. Prediction is... What's your word?
Doorway.
Not pen? Holy. No. The power is in your hand. Pen. You're holding a pen. Ano ka dito? You've been holding that pen since kanina pa. Open it up. Open the pen up. Buksan mo to.
No way.
What?
Hey.
Yes.
No way.
Is there something inside? Something is inside. A paper. Open it up. Ipakita mo sa amin kung yung nakasulat.
Doorway.
Ladies and gentlemen, doorway! Doorway! The power is in your hand. Thank you very much. You may sit down. And your time is? You know what? Kanina ko pa, you have to choose 4:30 randomly. You have to choose doorway. Because I've been saying that, can you remember my story? Sabi ko, when I entered the doorway of our house. Pauwi ako sa bahay, pagpasok ko sa doorway namin. Anong oras ulit yung ano? Sinabi ko kanina? Ang TV? Pag 4:30 na. And naalala ko pa yung palabas sa TV. Naalala niyo yung ang TV? Naalala niyo?
Ay, 4:30!
Oh, 4:30. Kapag 4:30 na, ang TV na. 4:30. And sinadya ko talaga na dito ka pumesto sa tabi ko. Kasi kanina di ba na-aninag mo to? Yan. Yes? Because the word pen subconsciously is actually 4:30. Let's give everybody a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Once again, I am Justin Pinion. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Good night.
Thank you. Your time, Justin, is 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yes!